I was stopped to kind of not go outstation because they thought, I don't think you can kind of, if it's an outstation casting, we should send a boy.
Why?
You know, you can enjoy a animal, you can enjoy a धुरंधर. जो आपको कोहरा पे मिलेगा ना, you will relate to all the female characters in some way. A casting director cannot make a comment on an actor, you know, that you're looking very hot. No, you can't do that. If you're a male casting director, you should have a female assistant associate with you all the time. Basic चीज़ें नहीं होती casting offices में. There's no bathroom, there's no changing room. Actually, people don't understand that. People just bombard you on WhatsApp with 100 pictures and they're on archive. A female is giving you an instruction. They don't take it nicely. Feedback also, you know, they don't take it nicely. I think it's not in their system.
हाय, मैं हूँ रंगीली रुचि एंड दिस इज द सुपर वुमनिया शो. यू नो, आज मेरे साथ में जो गेस्ट है, शी वेयर्स मेनी हैट्स एंड वेयर्स देम वेल. शी इज द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बिहाइंड नेटफ्लिक्स's कोहरा सीजन 2 and has shaped shows like Inside Edge and पाताल लोक. कैमरा के सामने भी आपने इन्हें देखा हुआ है पाताल लोक 2 में, films like The Sky is Pink, Okay Janu. So basically she is a true super womania, that's for sure. लेकिन एक अमेजिंग चीज़ जो कि आज के हमारे इस चैट को और स्पेशल बनाती है वो ये भी है कि इन्होंने अपने जर्नी की शुरुआत में कहीं ना कहीं फीवर एफएम के साथ में इंटर्नशिप भी की है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एक्टर निकिता ग्रोवर. वेलकम टू द सुपर वुमनिया शो.
Thank you. इतने सारे पुराने आपने गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़े हैं.
I hope they're all beautiful memories.
Yeah. Can't complain. Not at all.
Tell me a little about this यार. ये फीवर एफएम के साथ में इंटर्नशिप का क्या सीन है यार. I'm so excited.
I know. I was so excited to come here today because I was like, okay. I was interning at a radio station.
कहाँ पर? मुंबई में तो नहीं था.
No, this was in Delhi.
Okay.
Khurafati Nitin's show, morning show, and Zakir was the producer.
Zakir Khan.
Ji.
Yeah, the very famous comedian Zakir
Yeah.
Khan has also been a part of Fever FM. We are
Yes.
so proud about that.
Yeah, so it was a lovely time I had there, and that's where I started from. And then you know, I'm doing whatever I'm doing now is completely different from where I started, but yeah, it's all been very good.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
cool, yeah. And now you are this very famous casting director. कोहरा 2. सबसे पहले तो इसकी कास्ट के बारे में कुछ बताइए, कुछ स्टोरी जो इसके पीछे हो.
So Kohra 1 already हो चुका था, and now with Kohra 2, first of all, I start my journey as an independent casting director, and this came to me, and spending a lot of time in Punjab again. This इस बार बहुत ही complex characters थे और बहुत ही अमेजिंग चीज़ इस सीज़न के बारे में है कि बहुत सारे फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स हैं.
Wow, super woman, yeah.
Yes, and when I read that, I was very excited. And complex female characters, written so well. You see Mona's character, she's playing Dhanwant, and she's leading this show this time. And even other characters, you'll see Bunny Gulati, such a complex character. I mean, I can't wait for you to see the show. It's lovely.
But you know, we are on the Super Womania show.
Yes.
And you are the superwoman who's a casting director. मुझे थोड़ा सा बताओ कि it is a man's world, you know, especially the casting bit.
Yeah.
Thankfully आज की तारीख में कुछ बड़े नाम हैं जो औरतें हैं जो कास्टिंग करती हैं. फिर भी माना ये जाता है कि usually, you know, this is a job for maybe men. How are you fitting in and finding your place there?
I'll be very honest. It's not been easy. It's tough. I remember there was an instance where there was an outstation casting long back, and I was leading that project, and I was stopped to kind of not go outstation because they thought, I don't think you can kind of. They didn't say it on my face, but it was very much like a, you know, if it's an outstation casting, we should send a boy.
Why? Not safe for you या फिर बाहर के लोग आपको इज्जत
That
नहीं देंगे?
no, that you will not be able to do it.
Why?
I don't know. But yeah, it is very difficult. I have to wake up and I have to feel like, oh my god, okay, you know, if I don't wake up and I don't do it today, someone else, some other man will come and do it. So please wake up and kind of fight. But I'm very very happy when I see a Tess Joseph, when I see a Shanu, Nandini, Shruti. These are all amazing casting directors, and I really really look up to all of them. Big fan of all these women. And they also kind of, every day I look at them and I was like, okay, they are doing it, I can also do it.
मुझे तो लगता है अब उल्टा है. आई थिंक मेन नीड टू वेक अप एंड वरी अबाउट देयर जॉब्स कि अगर मैं नहीं पहुंचा टाइम पर या मैं नहीं कर पाया तो देयर इज अ वुमन वेटिंग जो कि अब ये काम मुझसे बेहतर कर लेगी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, एब्सोल्युटली, आई एम विद यू ऑन दिस.
अच्छा मुझे ये बताइए कि पाताल लोक सीजन 2 दिस मार्क्ड अ ह्यूज फेज इन योर करियर.
Yes.
आपने 6 महीने नागालैंड में बिताए. यू वर डिस्कवरिंग टैलेंट्स इन वेरियस प्लेसेस. राह चलते हुए क्या था प्रोसेस, थोड़ा सा कुछ बीटीएस दीजिए, कैसे हुआ था कास्टिंग.
सो सबसे पहले तो नागालैंड में दे आर नॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ यू नो कि this is also a field of work. There are films, there are actors. Most of the people are not. There is in Kohima. There's कोई theater नहीं है वहाँ पे. So it was really, you know, we had to literally be on the roads और सड़क पे, you know, खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करके, देखो मेरा नाम निकिता है और मैं ये करती हूँ, एंड आई एम दिस पर्सन, दिस इज़ माई कार्ड, आर यू इंटरेस्टेड, प्लीज़ कॉल मी. That's how we started. We knocked doors that, listen, you know, we were literally doing like a salesperson work there.
Really?
Really. And I can very proudly today say, I can just say that if I walk on the road of Kohima, I'll be taken in.
I'm a woman and I've been in the media industry for so long, and I have come across a few people who would have, you know, walked up to me and said, you know, why don't you come for an audition? And the moment, you know, it's a man and you're at a party, आप हर चीज को सेकंड गेस करते हैं, हर चीज को जज करते हैं.
100%.
We've heard so much इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, नॉट इन द रीसेंट टाइम्स जितना पहले हम सुना करते थे, बट इट स्केयर्स अस एज women.
Yeah.
Do you think that is a benefit and advantage you have?
Yes, I do.
Because people would trust a female casting director?
100%.
Yeah.
And you know, so I meet actors every week on a week. I do like a online meet and greet, and I specifically keep a separate session for women where I speak to them, and I tell them that, you know, if any casting director, anyone, if you faced any messages or any conversation, please tell me, because I'll help you out in that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I speak to women every week, and there are, so you know, there are, be it a very small message or a comment, a casting director cannot make a comment on an actor, you know, that you're looking very hot. No, you can't do that. And
आज भी हो रहा है?
आज भी हो रहा है, आज भी हो रहा है. और एक्टर का जो साइड है वो इतना वल्नरेबल है ना कि उनको, they don't know how to really react, because they're also, you know, kind of scared to lose on work. It's really vulnerable. So I tell them that this is not right, and how to handle situations, because I am on that side and I can really tell them that, you know, this is what you can do and this is what you should accept, not accept.
अच्छा मैं ना यहाँ पर आई एम गोइंग टू बी द डेविल्स एडवोकेट, और मैं थोड़ा सा यू नो एज पे चल करके ये बात करने की भी कोशिश करूँगी कि एज अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, एज अ मेल कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, आपको अगर किसी फीमेल को ये बताना ही है कि तुम्हें हॉट और सेक्सी दिखना है, आप कैसे बताओगे आप? यू नो जेन्युइनली, बिकॉज कोई भी बोलेगा कि नहीं यार थोड़ा हॉट लगना है, या इस रोल के लिए तुम्हें मिनी स्कर्ट पहनने की जरूरत है.
हाँ.
कोई भी इसको उल्टा ले सकता है ना.
When you're briefing an actor, no, I mean, इतना समझदार तो हैं actors कि, you know, when a casting director is briefing that this character को इस तरीके से दिखना है, या you know, इस तरीके के कपड़े,
तरीका, I think, matters.
हाँ, the way matters. And I really feel that, you know, if you're a male casting director, you should have a female assistant, associate with you all the time. It just makes a very safe space for women to come. I only work with women, and I can very proudly say when women come for my audition, you know, they feel very safe, and there are things that are there for them, you know, like basic चीज़ें नहीं होती casting offices में. There's no bathroom, there's no changing room.
एंड दिस इज तो अ नेसेसिटी बिकॉज आपको रोल्स के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉस्ट्यूम्स ट्राई करने हैं.
बिल्कुल. और नहीं है वो, उस नज़रिए से लोग सोचते ही नहीं है कि अच्छा, you know, a female would also need this. We should basic चीज़ just
So
keep.
would a man.
Yeah, keep tissues, sanitary napkins, a rubber band, a hairbrush. Please keep all of this in your bathroom, man.
लुक टेस्ट ही करना है
हाँ.
तो पर्सन नीड्स टू लुक
Yeah,
प्रॉपर.
yeah,
You need to help them with that.
yeah.
So happy that you know women are taking over this industry or this part of our film industry. As a casting director, आपको अपने एक्टर्स को इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने पड़ते हैं, आपको ब्रीफ देना पड़ता है. लेकिन मुझे ये बताइए कि ऐसा आपने कभी फेस किया है क्या कि जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर अ वुमन देयर आर सम पीपल जिनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस लेने में मुश्किल होती है. तुम औरत हो, हमें कैसे बता रही हो? टेल मी अ लिटिल अबाउट दैट.
All the time. This is the kind of struggle that I still face. I'll be very very honest. I do face it. In the past, when I've had male assistants also, it I don't know why, when a female is giving you an instruction, they don't take it nicely. Feedback also, you know, they don't take it nicely. It's not. It's I think it's not in their system. है कुछ थोड़ा but not all of them, but most of them, it gets really difficult while auditioning also, briefing the actors. नहीं सर आप ये ठीक नहीं कर रहे हो, इसको ऐसे करके देखो. वो you know, you see it on the face and you know that okay, I think I made him uncomfortable.
अच्छा, हम आजकल फिल्मों में देख रहे हैं या ओटीटी पर देख रहे हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग फीमेल कॉप्स, जैसे मर्दानी में या फिर दिल्ली क्राइम, दहाड़, दलदल, एंड यू एज कांस्टेबल मंजू वर्मा इन पाताल लोक एंड नाउ मोना सिंह इन कोहरा. ये कॉन्शियस शिफ्ट है क्या राइटर्स की तरफ से, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स की तरफ से, कि ऐसा दिखाया जाए, या फिर इज दिस अ नेचुरल रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द चेंजिंग सोसाइटी?
No, it's you know, first of all, it's coming from the writers only, that they are writing these फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स. बड़ा टफ होता है मेल राइटर्स के लिए. सबसे पहले फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स सबसे पहले तो समझना, और फिर यू नो टू पुट इट ऑन पेपर. एंड दिस शिफ्ट इज consciously happening now, which is great, because we've only seen female characters, you know, just playing those typical mothers, behne, just supporting characters, and everyone's bored of it. You know, you can enjoy a animal, you can enjoy a धुरंधर, but जो आपको कोहरा पे मिलेगा ना, you you will relate to all the female characters in some way. Okay, I am a little this, I am a little also this, this the shift is happening, but there's still a lot more to happen. You know, I want to see like women doing more, being horny, being sensible, and being stupid, being dumb. It happened in the middle with Cocktail and all. I remember there was a little excitement at that time, but then it vanished again, and I'm very happy it's happening again. It gives me a rush when I have to find these female characters who are so complex, so complex.
Women are complex.
Yeah.
You've continued acting,
Yes.
right? And casting के साथ साथ वो भी चल रहा है, तो पाताल लोक, कोहरा, पंजाबी फिल्म्स, कुछ बताइए आपके ये एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, and also how does it help you to be a casting director, better casting director?
So I was always an actor. I was doing a lot of theater, and casting was never like planned. It happened, and it happened in a very good way.
Nice.
I was casting, I was directing, I was also acting. When during casting you act with the co-actors, right? So I got my first kind of a gig where you can really see me was Patal Lok.
Correct.
Season 1, and then 2 also happened, and then I don't know how I got into Punjabi films, and
Life happened.
yeah, and I'm so happy. I'm really happy with that I get to work in Punjab also, because वहाँ पे अलग ही कुछ system है काम करने का, and here it's completely different, and I'm enjoying acting a lot.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर आपका इन एंड आउट टाइम होता नहीं है. आपका वर्क डे कैन बी as long as 24 hours, you know, and continues to the next day as well. कोहरा 2 के ट्रेलर में ना एक लाइन है, एक अनस्पोकन प्रेशर के बारे में which many women feel, और वो लाइन है, 16 घंटे काम कर रही हूँ और कैसे प्रूव करूँ डेडिकेशन. माय गॉड, दिस लाइन स्पोक टू मी.
Yeah.
Do you think it's still true कि औरतों को अपना वर्थ, डेडिकेशन, पर्सनल प्रोफेशनल दोनों जगह पर अभी भी प्रूव करना पड़ता है?
In some ways, yes. I see that we face that, and we're all like, all the women that I work with, we are fighting for it, and we fight for it every day.
No, but see, women are fighting for it, but are men accepting the
Yes.
defeat is...
Yeah. I mean, at least I can talk about the people I work with. Uh, Only Sudeep Sharma is giving me work, and I see the change happening there every day, and I feel very, very happy, and I feel very safe when I work with them, and my ideas are considered, and this mutual and very mutual respect, and I've been treated very well with him.
एज अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर मुझे बताइए कि एक्टर्स की डेट मिलना कितना मुश्किल होता है, और क्या इसलिए आप बैकअप रखते हैं? एक रोल के लिए 3 होते हैं लोग.
मैं अभी यही सॉर्ट करते हुए आ रही थी यार. हाँ, बहुत इश्यूज होते हैं, एंड ओनली फॉर गुड पीपल आर वर्किंग वेरी हैप्पी, बट हमारा प्रोजेक्ट भी नहीं हो रहा है. दैट मेक्स मी वेरी वेरी सैड. बैकअप नहीं रखना चाहते हम. चाहत तो नहीं है हमारी कि हम
प्रोसेस समझने की
हाँ.
कोशिश कर रही हूँ, तो रखना पड़ता है.
सी हाँ, इट्स आइडल इफ यू कीप अ बैकअप, बट हो नहीं पाता है बैकअप रखना कि अच्छा अब डेट अवेलेबल नहीं है, अब शुरू से ढूंढो, दोबारा से ढूंढो अब.
Oh God.
Yeah. So casting never till the last day of the shoot you're still casting. So it never finishes. issues and issues.
Nikita, you're such a superwoman. Yeah, you are a casting director, an actor, and आप खुद से अकेले अपनी ज़िंदगी बना रही हैं, अपना बेस तैयार कर रही हैं मुंबई में पिछले इतने सालों से. जो हम बात कर ही रहे थे कि मुंबई में आसान नहीं है, अपनी ज़िंदगी ये बिता पाना. मुझे बताइए, और कभी किसी सुपर वुमन ने, किसी भी औरत ने आपको कोई बात कही हो, कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया हो जो आपके दिल दिमाग में रह गया हो?
Tess Joseph. She's a brilliant casting director, and I really look up to her. And she didn't say, मतलब मुझे directly नहीं बोला उन्होंने मुझे, but to someone she said that I would really like to collaborate with Nikita someday, and I think it was I felt like, okay, I've done something in my life. Listen, Tess Joseph has said this, okay. Also, one time Shanu Sharma had said that please come and work with me. I really want to work with you, and these are the things that keep me going, and yeah.
So nice. कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स आज भी हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में रिकग्निशन के लिए एक फाइट लड़ रहे हैं कि आप जो देख रहे हैं द एंड प्रोडक्ट जिसकी इतनी तारीफ हो रही है, उसकी शुरुआत आपकी टेबल से हुई थी. सो डू यू फील द इंडस्ट्री इज फाइनली कैचिंग अप, या फिर अभी भी बहुत लंबा रास्ता है?
कैचिंग अप, बट अभी समय है थोड़ा, अभी थोड़ी बात समझ में आई नहीं है. कई लोगों को
अभी भी सभी अवार्ड शोज नहीं है जहां पर कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स के लिए कैटेगरी हो जो होनी चाहिए.
है ही नहीं. मतलब आई थिंक ओनली 1 or 2 पीपल डू इट. अब तो ऑस्कर्स में भी आ गया भाई, अब तो जागो ग्राहक जागो. हाँ.
Tell me, what do you love about being a woman? Why do you love being a woman?
Wow, that's
Heavy one.
yeah. I don't know if I can answer that question straight, but good or bad, I can't chat with men for a very long time, you know. Like they have nothing to talk here. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. But a very, very small, stupid thing. But I really like how I look at my female friends and, you know, I really like how they kind of put things together. They'll pull out a random jeans and a random top and they look so good. And, you know, they'll just pair a random earring and it comes it comes out so well, and I'm like, my god, how have you done this, man? How and so emotionally so intelligent. I cannot pick up a phone on a man and you know kind of tell what I'm going through, because I know that my female friend would rather understand it better. I don't know why. I don't hate men, okay? I don't hate them, but I have
love women a
yeah,
little more.
yeah. But I think I have really good female friends that
That's
are
a blessing.
yeah. It is in Bombay. If you have good female friends, you don't need anything really.
जिंदगी जीत ली है आपने.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ, अभी रिसेंटली ना हमने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कमबैक्स देखे हैं. बॉबी देओल, आई मीन ही इज नाउ बिकम लॉर्ड बॉबी, या अक्षय खन्ना,
So hot.
ओह माय गॉड, एंड मोना सिंह आल्सो. सो एज अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर आपको क्या ज़्यादा एक्साइट करता है, नए टैलेंट को डिस्कवर करना या फिर कोई फेमिलियर फेस को एक नई लाइट में रीइंट्रोड्यूस करना?
See, I, I'll swing both ways. I really enjoy doing both the things equally, because getting Ranvijay for Kohra was I was blown when I saw his audition, and I was like, bhai, oh my god, he's looking because he comes from a very different setup, roadies and then coming to Kohra. So yeah, I enjoyed that bit too. But you'll see a lot of new faces in Kohra. You know what happens is, like, when I cast a newer actor and that person does well on camera, it gives me a high. I'm like, yeah, I discovered him. I discovered him. Yeah,
How cool.
yeah. So I swing both ways.
क्या बात है.
जी.
So now, as an established casting director, people who are aspiring actors और जो हमें अभी देख रहे हैं, आप उन्हें क्या टिप्स देंगे
Tips.
कि नीचे कमेंट करें अपना नाम और अर्जी लगाएं, हमें रोल दे दो. I'm sure that happens with you ना now.
Yeah.
Please cast me.
Yeah.
I'm also going to say that after this interview.
Yeah, that's my life. I'm in a party. I'm in a washroom. I've been.
But people need to know कि वो सच में ऐसा रियलिटी है नहीं. वो वन ऑफ ऐसे स्टोरीज हमने सुने जहाँ
हाँ.
पर कैफे में कोई बैठा था,
हाँ.
उसको देखा, उसको रोल
हाँ.
मिल गया. असली में रोल कैसे मिलते हैं ये बताइए. वो क्या क्या पता होना चाहिए एक्टर को, क्या टिप्स फॉलो करने चाहिए?
बहुत सिंपल है. सबसे पहले तो आप कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को समझो कि उसको आप वो कैसे चाहता है कि आप उसको अप्रोच करो. यू नो, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर्क थ्रू ईमेल्स, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर्क थ्रू Google forms, and every casting director has their own way to kind of work. Just first of all understand कि वो कैसे अप्रोच उनको किस तरीके का पसंद है. That should be like, that's very important. You know, actually people don't understand that. People just bombard you on WhatsApp with 100 pictures, and then they are on archive. Okay, please please understand. So understand that first, and yeah, and take auditions very seriously, and try to audition every day, like how you know put this in your schedule every day. ऑडिशन एवरी डे, एंड और आपको धीरे धीरे खुद पता चलेगा कि मेरा ऑडिशन आज बेहतर हुआ है, आज मैंने ऑडिशन अच्छा दिया है. एंड यू विल ओनली गेट वन जॉब आउट ऑफ 100. एक्सेप्ट दिस.
But you have to do that one job so well
Yeah.
that you also get to become an actor, a casting director, and now a podcaster with me and somebody who's worked in radio also. Yeah, you are a superwoman, yeah, in true sense. And ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि you know you were a part of Fever at some point of time, and today you are on the Superwomania show. So thank you so much, Nikita. We are so proud of you, and all the best for your future. आप इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, एंड ऐसे ही और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपके इस नाम के नीचे ऐड होती चली जाए.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be here today. I can't tell you. Like, I'm very happy.
Wow, thank you, यार.
Thank you.